I run a creative agency that pulls in millions of dollars every single month just from video editing. But I know that for most editors, landing high-paying clients feels like chasing a mirage. Let's be real, you are sending cold DMs, grinding on Upwork, and slashing prices just to stay competitive. But at the end of the day, crickets. And it feels like no matter how much effort you put in, you are stuck. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint that transformed my business and can change yours forever. The global video editing industry is projected to hit 1.2 billion by 2028. Content demand isn't just growing, it's exploding. Every brand, influencer, and business is in a race to produce more video content because they know one thing: attention is currency. Yet, despite this surge in demand, most video editors are still struggling to make a name for themselves. Why? Because they are digging in the wrong place. Imagine two gold miners. One has an old pickaxe and is chipping away at random rocks, hoping to get lucky. The other has a map, the right tools, and knows exactly where to dig. Who do you think will strike gold first? Freelancing platforms? Cold emails? That's the pickaxe method. It works, but it's slow, exhausting, and unpredictable. If you want to win big, you need more than just skills. You need positioning, branding, and authority. You need to become the obvious choice for high-value clients. It's time to step out of the shadows and take control of your career. The industry isn't waiting. Are you ready to claim your space? Here is the three-part formula that will transform your client pipeline and make high-value clients come to you. Stop treating your portfolio like a storage unit for random edits. Clients don't want to dig through piles of work. They want proof that you can deliver results for their specific needs. Niche down. Create tailored reels for YouTubers, brands, and businesses. When they land on your portfolio, their reaction should be, "This is exactly what I need." Showcase transformations. A before and after comparison instantly proves your impact and makes your value undeniable. Think of it like a fitness trainer showing dramatic body transformations. Results sell, not just the process. Posting your work isn't enough. You need to position yourself as an expert. That means creating content that makes clients trust you before they even talk to you. Share client success stories to prove your results. Post behind the scenes content to build connection. Give bite-sized editing tips that hook viewers. Did you know LinkedIn is 277% more effective for lead generation than Facebook or X? That's where decision makers are. Let's be real, cold DMs don't work if they sound desperate. Instead of begging for work, build relationships first. Comment on creators' videos to get noticed. Join industry-specific Discord groups to connect with potential clients. Offer value before making an ask. Help first, pitch later. Stop playing small. Position yourself as the go-to expert and let the right clients come to you. Most editors make the same mistake. They pitch themselves like this: "Hey, I can edit your videos." But anyone with a laptop and Premiere Pro can say that. High-value clients don't pay for edits, they pay for results. Here is the shift that changes everything. Don't say, "I edit videos." Say, "I help YouTubers double their engagement with strategic video content." The difference? One is a commodity. The other is an investment. You don't sell video edits, you sell more engagement, faster audience growth, higher conversions for businesses. And when clients see that, they won't just pay you, they will chase you. The moment you shift your positioning, you stop competing on price. You became the expert, the strategist, the go-to person in your field. And that's when premium rates become
non-negotiable.
Start selling outcomes and watch how fast your career levels up. If you are grinding 12-hour days, taking on every low-paying gig, and constantly chasing clients, you are stuck in a cycle that won't get you to six figures. A predictable, high-income video editing business isn't built on hustle, it's built on strategy. Here is your roadmap. Step 1. Build a niche-focused portfolio. Most editors throw together random clips and call it a portfolio. That's a mistake. High-value clients don't want a generalist. They want a specialist. If you edit for YouTubers, your portfolio should showcase high retention storytelling. If you edit for brands, highlight how your work increase engagement and conversions. Your portfolio shouldn't just show what you do, it should prove the results you deliver. Clients don't just hire editors, they hire experts, and in today's world, expertise is proven online. Don't just post your work, show your process, share success stories, and give insights that hook your audience. The more valuable your content, the more people will see you as the go-to expert. And here is something to keep in mind. 75% of decision makers use social media to research potential hires. If you are invisible online, you are invisible to high-paying clients. Editing is a skill, strategy is a business, and businesses pay for solutions, not just services. A client may pay you $500 for an edit, but they will pay you $5K for an editing system that helps them grow. So don't just sell videos, sell results. Now, I want to hear from you. What's been your biggest struggle in landing video editing clients? Drop a comment below and I will personally reply with advice. See you in the next one.